Hey, gang! There's my fingers, so you know it's Poppy. This is the first of my 5 parcels of opal that I've ordered to arrive. Uh, don't need to show you that. Okay, it came from eh, Jaipur. Okay, and in that was this and that piece of paper. Baggy, nothing special. Put that aside for now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Oh, maybe we can put you here. Hey, that's closer. Okay, now, one at a time. Right there. Okay, it's got a nice color, but it's rather small. This one here. Nice color. Small, funny shape. This one here has a lot of nice color. I think I can cut something out of that. Uh, there we go. A lot of color there, too. A lot of color there, too. Big chunky piece. A lot of green. I see red, too. Perhaps. Small little one. Color. It's all got tons of color. So now it comes down to cracks, sand, and the big question, since this is Ethiopian opal, what will it do if I get it wet? There's nice green in there. Oh, look at it from this side. Oh, look at there. Look at that green. Beautiful color. And there's color in there. Yes, there is. The last one. Look at that. Yeah, you saw the green there. And then they tossed in that. I'm not sure what they are. I mean, I'm almost absolutely certain that's not opal. They look like matched for earrings, maybe coral. I don't know, I'll give them to the old lady. Anyway, that was the parcel that came today, June 13th, from Mohammed Jisan. And that's his address and all other contact stuff. So, oh, so why did I buy what my wife calling gravel? I've heard other people call stones that size gravel. Truthfully, when I was working out of the dollar a gram tray at the local rock shop as a kid back in Concord, I would have paid $1 a gram for that all day long. Anyway, I've got 4 more posters of opal coming. 3 of them African and 1 Australian. A monster. And as they come in, I'll show them to you. Also, I'm still expecting a 50-piece set of sintered diamond points for my flex shaft. Burrs is not the correct word. Burrs is made out of steel or tungsten carbide. If you got an abrasive on a metal rod that goes into like a flex shaft, that's a point. Proper terminology there, kids. Anyway, good night from California.